Good morning, kids. How do you do? How are you all, baby? Yes, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, kids? Let's see the concept class today. Yes. Come on, everybody repeat. Who is he? Who is he? Yes, he is a Mr. Carrot. Yes, Mr. Carrot again come back to meet you all to tell about his friends. Already Mr. Carrot told about his friends, exotic vegetable, next leafy vegetables and God's family. Am I right? Yes. Today he is going to tell about his new friends. Yes. Do you know which friends he is going to say today? Do you know the names? Yes, children. Come on. Come with me. Their friends, his Mr. Carrot friends, they are sleeping under the ground. Come on. We go on. Wake up that friends. Come on. Come with friends. Mr. Carrot. Now he is going to tell about his friends. Underground vegetables. Yes, underground vegetables means that vegetables which grow under the soil. So, before that he tell about the friends, exotic vegetable, then leafy vegetable and God's family. So, that vegetables will grow above the soil. Now, he is going to tell about the underground vegetables which grow under the soil. Come on, let's wake up the what are the vegetables inside the soil. See here, look at here. Everybody look at here. Yes, we cannot see the vegetable above the soil. This is only soil, baby. Look at here. This is only soil. This vegetable, see in this plant. Can you see the vegetable in this plant? Yes, this is only above the soil. Can you see the vegetable in this plant? No, because this vegetable grow inside the soil, under the soil. Now, let me wake up that vegetable which is inside the soil. Look at here. Everybody look at here. Come on. Yes, see here. See here. Yes, everybody look at here. What is this vegetable? What is this vegetable? Yes, this is a onion. Onion is one of the underground vegetables. See, it grows under the soil. It grows inside the soil. So, onion is the one of the underground vegetable. Next, you see here. Look at here. Yes, look at here. What is this vegetable? Come on. Yes, ginger. Everybody repeat. Ginger. Ginger also one of the underground vegetable. Okay, kids. Ginger. It grows inside the soil. Yes. So this is very spicy. Ginger is very spicy. It's very good for our health also. So mommy usually she used to use the ginger in our kitchen. Okay. Next, see the onion. So without onion, mother can cook any food? No. Without onion, we cannot make any food. Okay, kids? So onion, ginger, these are the underground vegetable. Next, let me wake up another vegetable. Yes. Everybody repeat. What is this vegetable? Yes, this is a carrot. Yes, carrot is one of the underground vegetable. Underground means which grows inside the soil. See what's the color of the carrot? Yes, this is orange color. So carrot is very good for our eyes. If we eat lot of carrot, we can get a good eye vision. Okay, kids. Next, let me wake up. Which vegetable we are going to see now? Next one. See here. Come on. Yes, this is a garlic. Look at here. This is a garlic. Garlic is one of the underground vegetable. This is also one of the spices in our kitchen, Yes, our mother usually use garlic every day in our food. Okay, garlic also, it helps to reduce our fat in our body. Okay kids, garlic. Next, let me wake up this vegetable. Yes, onion. Just now ma'am I showed the onion. See here. See, onion. Onion is one of the underground vegetable. Next, let me wake up another friend. Who is he? Yes, this is a potato. Potato is one of the underground vegetable. Okay kids, so your mommy prepared potato fry means it's so yummy. Am I right? Potato fry. Then by using this potato we can make a finger fry also, you know. Potato fry. Yes? Yes. See here. See this all vegetables. Potato, garlic, onion. See the onion? Onion, ginger. Look at here. And carrot. See? These vegetables are the underground vegetables. That means these vegetables grow under the soil. It grows inside the soil. Okay, so most of the vegetables it grow above the soil. So some vegetables grow inside the soil. So these vegetables are also called the underground vegetables. Okay kids, next let's play a small game. Come on. Let's play a small game. Yes, ma'am, I'm going to show the some vegetables. So if it is the underground vegetables means you have to show the thumbs up. Okay, if it is not underground vegetable you have to do the thumbs down. Okay kids, shall I show you now? Come on. Yes, look at here. What is this vegetable? Yes, carrot. Carrot is underground or not? Yes, this is a underground. Everybody show the thumbs up. Yes, carrot is a underground vegetable. Next, what is this vegetable? Yes, excellent. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin is an underground vegetable? No. Then you have to show the thumbs down. Okay. See here, what is this vegetable? Potato. Potato is a underground vegetable? Yes, you have to show the thumbs up. Very good. Next you see, what is this vegetable? Cucumber. Cucumber is an underground vegetable? No, it's not an underground vegetable. So you show the thumbs down. Okay. Next, see here, what is this vegetable? Radish. Radish is an underground vegetable? Yes, radish is an underground vegetable. So you have to show the thumbs up. Okay kids, can you understand now what are the underground vegetables? Yes, beetroot, potato, garlic, onion, radish, ginger. These are also comes under the underground vegetables. See, today at your home, you ask your mommy, Mommy, show all the vegetables. I want to know the names of the vegetables and I should know the what are the underground vegetables. So today your activity, you go to kitchen and explore the all vegetable, especially underground vegetables. Okay kids?
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight, just like you I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.